Hey students, today's lesson is on surface area of prisms. So let's go ahead and start with a key idea. And that is that the surface area, or S, of any prism is the sum of the areas of the bases and the lateral faces. So S equals area of bases plus the areas of lateral faces. So that's going to look differently for different prisms. Let's start with a rectangular prism. So here we have this rectangular prism. We can see it has two bases that are each 3 inches by 5 inches. And we have 4 lateral faces, 2 of which are 3 by 6 and 2 are 5 by 6. So we're going to draw a net. And I always like to start with the side that kind of looks like it's already sitting on the paper. So to me, it's this one right here is the one I'm going to draw first. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that over here. I'm going to do it roughly to scale as close as I can. So this side is going to be 3 inches by 6 inches. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and fold out these 2 lateral faces that are 5 by 6. And I'll put those right here. Now, if I've labeled this side 6, I don't necessarily have to label every single parallel line 6 because I can see that they're 6, but I could label a few of them if I want to just to keep track of it. So I've done this back one. I've folded out the 2 lateral faces. Now I'm going to fold up the 2 bases. So I'm going to draw a base up here and down here. I already have this side labeled 3. And the other dimension of that base is 5. Now I should always see when I have 2 parts of the net that meet at a 90-degree angle, they should be the same measurement because when I fold it up together, they're going to meet in the same place. Okay, so I know that for a rectangular prism, I have 6 total faces between the bases and the 4 lateral faces. So I'm missing one, and it's this one right here that's in front. So I could put that actually pretty much anywhere. I'm going to go ahead and put it right here. And I'm going to label it 3. So these 2 lateral faces are the same dimension. These 2 lateral faces are the same dimension. And then my bases are the same dimensions. Okay, so now I just need to go ahead and calculate the surface area. So I'm going to say the surface area equals, and we know it's the sum of the areas of the bases plus the lateral faces. So let me do the bases first. There's 2 bases, and they're each 3 by 5, plus I have 2 lateral faces that are 5 by 6, plus I have 2 lateral faces that are 3 by 6. Now I just need to simplify all of this. So altogether, I have 2 bases that are each 15 square inches, and I have 2 lateral faces that are each 30 square inches, and I have 2 lateral faces that are each 18 square inches. Simplify a little bit further. That means I have 30 square inches plus 60 plus 36. And then I'm going to put those all together. We have 126 square inches. All right, let's do a triangular prism. This is a little bit different than a rectangular prism in that I still have 2 bases, but now I only have 3 lateral faces because a triangle has 3 sides. So again, I can pick which side I want to draw first. I feel like in this case, this largest lateral face right here is the one I want to draw first. So I'm going to go ahead and put that here, and that is 5 meters by 6 meters. Then I'm going to fold out the other 2 lateral faces. So this blue side comes out next, and that's 5 by 4. I'm sorry, this is a 6. 6 by 4. And then the green side is going to come out, and that's 6 by 3. Okay, now I just need to fold up my 2 bases. So those are going to come up from the side that's 5 meters. And I can see that I have this right angle here. So I'm going to try to draw it like that the best I can. That I have this right angle here. That's important when we're finding the area of the triangle because the base times height needs to be at a perpendicular angle. So it looks like the shorter side of my triangle is 3 meters, which again lines up with this 3 right here. And the longer side is 4 meters, which lines up with this 4 right here. Okay, so our surface area is the sum of the bases plus the lateral faces. So our sum equals, let's go ahead and do the 2 bases first. There's 2 of them, and each of them is 1/2 times the base times the height. And we can use 3 and 4 as the base and the height. Plus, I'll go ahead and do this side next. That's a 3x6 rectangle. Plus, I'll do this side next. That's a 5x6 rectangle. Plus, I'll do this side last. That's a 4x6 rectangle. Okay, so now I just need to simplify. So let's see. 1/2 times 2 is just 1. So the 2 triangles together are 12 square meters. Plus 18, plus 30, plus 24. I add it all up together, and I get 84 square meters. All right, that's it. Go ahead and try a few on your own. I'll see you soon.